nagpasalamat pa sila dito. I mean, ito, let me go ahead and show this to you guys. Let me see if I could put it up from Phoenix. Sige, you were gonna say something.
Well, a match evaluation. Match is a relative term. How much is much? To me, it's not enough when you talk about 3 months. It's not an evaluation.
Okay.
You have to give him a body of work. It's 3 conferences. Makita mo
Mhm.
talaga. You didn't even try him. You did not even try him to go to an import conference and see what he can do
Mhm.
there. Can he pick a good import for you? Can he, do things na, other coaches have not done before? Again, like I said, coaches are hard to be fired, but you have to give them the opportunity to spread their wings. Hindi
Pero
ginawa ng Team
baka nga
Phoenix yan.
panakibutas lang. I mean, to be blunt
Yeah,
about it, baka nga ganun talaga yung plano.
yeah, yes, prerogative ng Phoenix, but you have to also extend the common courtesy and say, say na, dito long term at least makaprepare din si Coach Willie Wilson. He's a good soldier.